Another 40 days I'm lost at sea. I'm just gonna swim until you love me, hoping that your heart will rescue me. I'm just gonna swim until you...
Hello everybody, what is up? Today, I just decided to teach you some beautiful green eyeshadow, and also I'm going to tell you about one of the biggest scoops I've ever done back yesterday. I know I've told you before, and I'm saying it again, that I'm super scared of every living creature on this planet, or in the world even. And when I say everything, I literally mean everything. The humans, plants, animals, especially animals. And you know, it's not like I don't like animals. I love them, especially cats, but when they're far, far away from me, that's the way I like them. And thanks God, these animals, especially dogs and cats and mice, are everywhere. Everywhere on the street you can find them. Over here. And you know, cats always, they just act like they have some special work to do across the street. So they're always on the street. I told you I love them, but far away. So they're unpurposely walk around the street, and I always have to be careful to not meet any of them on the street, because one of us are gonna scream and that's gonna be me. So I'm always careful on the street that do not let any of these animals get close to me, touch me, or you know, these things, because I always overreact. And when I say overreact, I mean something beyond your thoughts. I wasn't sure about using a brow shadow, but I'm gonna use a dark brown. I think that would be more nice. Yeah, it's good. It's a lot here. I'm gonna remove it. For the better pigments, I use this aqua color, and then you can use eyeshadow on it. But we need a lot of pigments, so I do this. So, yesterday, let me do this and then I'll tell you the rest of the story. So I always like to, stay away from them, and they always like to get twisted between my legs. Okay, some glitter here. So yesterday I was walking and I felt like something really small, something that, the height was something like near my knee. So my first reaction was something like, oh, what the hell? And my second reaction was something like, oh shit, because it was a kid. And do you know what's the worst thing about children? Their parents are always there. I like this shiny yellow. So the parents were just looking at me like, are you from another planet? Haven't you seen a child before? And they were right. I screamed at their child just because it touched me. Believe me, it was a killing and awkward silence that they were like, what? And I was like, I was exactly like Ross in Friends. That awkward moment that it was like, that say something, anything. It doesn't need to be smart. Just say something and stop this killing silence. So I stopped it with the smartest thing that came to my mind, to just, make things even more awkward. So I told them that I'm so sorry, I didn't notice, I thought it's your dog. I told the parents that I thought your cutie sweetie kid is a dog. And if you wonder what I did after, well, I just left before they kicked me out of the life. And it's funny because it's like I can't find any other good excuses. And it always happens to me. Like, it always happens to me, and I always say the same thing. And ta-da! So we're done with this makeup, and I love it so much. Although it's not exactly just what I expected, but it's lovely. And you know, it's sad because it is 10 a.m. in the morning, and I have to just remove it because I'm not going anywhere. But I wish I had a party to go. But I hope you can have a party, because now you know how to get ready for it. And let's take a look at it. Also, I really like this highlighter. Love you guys so much. And see you. No, I'm not going to see you, but you're going to see me when I post the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to know how to get ready for your parties, or even how to be a great makeup artist. Like this video and go and enjoy the videos. Bye bye.